Hi everyone, welcome back to Sans Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. If you're someone who stopped by, I would be more than happy if you click the subscribe button and join the family. Today I'm participating in a challenge called as $10 Thrift Flip Christmas, which is hosted by Thrift Queen and Sailor Vuitton. They both are amazing crafters. You have to visit their channel. If you haven't visited the channel, I'll leave the link for their channel in my description box and also the link for the playlist of all the participants. So what we are supposed to do is spend $10 on any thrifted item, or maybe something you want to upcycle, or any item that you want to spend $10 and give a new look to it or do a project with that. So today I'm going to use one of my pizza box, and I'm going to use some of the Dollar Tree items to do this project. I'm basically doing a Christmas tree out of that. So the items that I'm going to use is this tissue paper that I got from gift section, and some of the snowflakes, and some of the gift boxes, and this is a pearl beaded necklace that I got from Michaels. I think I spent $2 or $3. It was lying in my craft room, so I'm going to use this. So with all this, I'm going to do a Christmas project, and let's get started. So this is the final result of the project, from trash to treasure, and this is our pizza box converted into Christmas tree. So I stuck one of the blue tissue paper, which is found in the gift section of Dollar Tree, and I like this color and the design on it because it's going along with the Christmas theme. So I stuck it around the pizza box, and I stuck this pearl beaded necklace around it, and I gave like a garland effect to it of a Christmas tree, and I stuck one of the snowflake on the top, and these are are some of the gift boxes that I laid in front of the Christmas tree, silver and blue. And this is one of the mesh tube LED light. And I laid everything on top of a white runner. So yeah, so this is a complete Dollar Tree project from trash to treasure. So I enjoyed working this project. I hope you also enjoyed as much as I do. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. So thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.